What if I told you that you can get 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free? Yes, you heard me right. 1 terabyte of free space to store all your files, photos, videos, and more. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can get 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free. But you have to watch this video till the end, so don't go anywhere. Having 1 terabyte of cloud storage means you never have to worry about running out of space on your devices or losing your data if something goes wrong. You can access your files from anywhere, anytime, and on any device. You can also back up your data securely and share your files easily with anyone you want. But there's a problem. Most cloud storage services charge you a lot of money for 1 terabyte of space. Some of them even have hidden fees or annoying ads that ruin your user experience. And some of them are not very secure or reliable, which means your data could be at risk of being hacked or deleted. So is there a way to get 1 terabyte of cloud storage for 100% free? And if so, is it worth it? Well, that's what we're going to find out in this video. Let's get started. The cloud storage provider that offers 1 terabyte of free cloud storage is called Terabox. Terabox is a relatively new cloud storage service that launched in 2020 and has gained over 10 million users worldwide. Terabox has some good features that make it easy to use and convenient. For example, it has a simple and intuitive interface that lets you upload, download, view, and manage your files with just a few clicks. You can sync your files across your devices and access them from anywhere. You can share your files with your friends and family easily by creating links or sending invitations. It has a built-in media player that lets you play your music and videos online without downloading them. It supports multiple platforms such as Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and web browsers. Terabox sounds like a great option for getting 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free, right? Well, not so fast. There are some drawbacks that you need to know before you sign up for it. For example, it has a file size limit of 4 GB for free accounts. This means you cannot upload or download any file that is larger than 4 GB. This can be a problem if you have large files. It has a file number limit of 10,000 for free accounts. This means you cannot store more than 10,000 files in your account. This can be a problem if you have a lot of files like documents or photos that you want to organize or backup online. It has reduced upload and download speeds for free accounts. This means it takes longer to upload or download your files compared to paid accounts. This can be a problem if you have a lot of files or large files that you want to transfer online quickly. It has previous privacy concerns too. Terabox is based in China and stores its data in Chinese servers. This means your data could be subject to Chinese laws and regulations that may not protect your privacy or security as well as other countries. In fact, in 2020, Terabox was accused of leaking user data and exposing millions of files to the public. Although Terabox claimed to have fixed the issue, it still raises some doubts about its reliability. It lacks integration with other services and apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Office 365. This means you cannot access or edit your files from these services or apps using Terabox. This can be a problem if you use these services or apps frequently and want to have a seamless workflow online. It has limited file sharing tools. Terabox only allows you to share your files by creating links or sending invitations. This means you cannot share your files by email, social media, QR code, or password protection. This can be a problem if you want to have more options and control over how you share your files online. As you can see, Terabox is not as good as it seems. It has many drawbacks that can affect your user experience and satisfaction. It may offer 1 terabyte of cloud storage for free, but it also comes with many limitations and risks that you need to consider. So is there a better alternative? Well, there is, and it's called pCloud. Used by over 14 million users worldwide, pCloud is my highest-rated cloud storage provider based on my ranking, rating, and review of all the top cloud storage services. It offers a range of excellent features and benefits that make it the best option for cloud storage needs. For example, it is located in Switzerland and stores its data in Swiss servers. This means your data is subject to Swiss laws and regulations that are known for being very strict and protective of your privacy and security. You can rest assured that your data is safe and secure with pCloud. It has affordable pricing and lifetime plans. You can get 1 terabyte of cloud storage for only $9.99 per month or $47.88 per year. But the best part is that it also offers lifetime plans that let you pay once and use forever. You can get 1 terabyte of cloud storage for life for only $175. That's a huge saving compared to other cloud storage services that charge you monthly or yearly fees. It has zero-knowledge encryption for extra security. This means your files are protected from hackers, government agencies, or even pCloud itself. You can get this feature for an additional $4.99 per month or $125 for life. It is compatible with all major platforms and devices, such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, web browsers, and even smart TVs. You can easily sync your files across all your devices and access them online or offline. You can also share your files with anyone, even if they don't have a pCloud account. You can create links, folders, or invitations to collaborate on your files. You can also set passwords, expiration dates, or download limits to control who can access your files and for how long. So overall, compared to Terabox, pCloud is much faster, more reliable, and more functional. With pCloud, you don't have to worry about losing your data or compromising your privacy. You can upload unlimited files without any speed reduction. You can access your files from any device or platform. And you can share your files with anyone easily and securely. You can also get a lifetime plan that saves you money in the long run. So if you want to get the best deal on pCloud, simply use the special link I have added in the description box down below to get up to 80% off. But this is a limited time offer, so hurry up and grab it before it expires. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, which cloud storage provider do you use? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know your opinion. I'll be responding to as many comments as possible. Check out this video on the best cloud storage providers available out there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.